Hello, class. This week we are studying the right to seek asylum. So at this point, you will be looking at these next two links. And this how-to video is how to use a new program called Padlet. And it's a way for us to collaborate with each other and share ideas and comment on each other's work. So let's look at the first one. Please click on this link, choose a human right. When you get to this page, you're going to want to expand it with this icon here, just like we do for YouTube videos. So the directions are here. Choose one of the articles from the Universal Declaration of Human Rights that you are the most interested in. So over the last couple of weeks, we have studied the right to water, the right to education, the right to not be made a slave, the right to privacy, the right to not be made a child soldier. That's next week. The right to seek refuge and asylum. That's this week. And last week, we studied the right to thought, consciousness, and religion. So this page is just for you to choose which human right are you the most interested in? Which one is the most important to you? Maybe you and your family. So when you decide, you're going to just click here to add a comment. So you're going to write your name so that we know who commented. So you might say, I'm going to write Miss Miola. And I'm going to use the sentence frames over here. I chose article. I chose Article 18 because I chose Article 18, the right to thought, consciousness, and religion. And then I'm going to use my second frame. This article is important because our thought and religion is tied to our culture and identity. Every person should be allowed their own beliefs as long as it doesn't bring harm to others. So that's it for this Padlet. You can like each other's comments if you like one of these other articles. But here you are selecting which human right you are the most interested in, which article from the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. After you do that, please go back to your folder. And you're going to look at this week's artists who speak up for these human rights. So you're going to go to your Art as Protest folder link, and then you're going to click on this link. And you're going to be brought to another Padlet. So for this one, you are going to choose either image 1, image 2, or image 3. And you're going to answer, what do you think this image represents? And what do you think the artist wanted to show? So if you click on here, add to the post, you're going to write your name. And you're going to write, this image represents, and you're going to say this, or the artist wanted to show. Now, each one of these images you can click on to learn more about the artist and the work that they're doing. So if you look here, it's going to show you some more images and it's going to describe to you about these two artists, Ronald and Virginia, who have been working on these sculptural projects, these structures projects. So I really encourage you to go check out each of these artists. These two are by the same artist, JR, who we've seen earlier in this unit. You may do comments for each of these images. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what you have to say, and I hope you enjoy studying this week about the right to seek refuge. Thank you.